The Yogi Adityanath government now has also come under fire and has acted upon all the criticism that they have received for unable to control the caste-based violence. In fact, the government has constituted a team comprising the Uttar Pradesh Home Secretary Prakash Mani Mishra along with the ADG Law and Order Aditya Mishra to conduct a door-to-door outreach program to try and diffuse the tension that prevails in these villages. The government's team went about Saharanpur's home, talking to the villagers and trying to convey to them that the government will not allow Saharanpur to witness the kind of violence that it had seen in the last few days. A meeting of representatives from both communities has also been organized. The old DGP and SSP have already been removed by the government due to their failure to contain the tension in the village, and now it remains to be seen if the newly appointed officials are successful in bringing about normalcy in the area. Not just that, India Today's Atir Khan visited this so-called outreach program by the Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister in Saharanpur, and this is what he found.
The Uttar Pradesh government representatives here at Shabbirpur village, and they are trying to build confidence among the people. Leading the charge is UP Home Secretary Mani Prasad Mishra along with ADG Law and Order Mr. Aditya Mishra. They're here, they're speaking to the people, they're going door to door trying to find out what the issues were, what actually happened and what could be the possible solution. The people are talking to them frankly. They're coming up with their problems, their issues which have emerged over especially last 20 days, while all the state machinery is trying to bring the situation under control here at Shabbirpur. There is some activity at the village we can see, but by and large there remains an uneasy calm. To douse that situation, we see that the administration is here. They are trying to build bridges between two castes who are at loggerheads over this violence which has erupted. Though the administration is trying to bring back normalcy in Shabbirpur village of Saharanpur, there are some scars, some marks which will take time to go away. For instance, this is one of the houses which was badly affected by the caste-based violence. And this, as you can see, the manifestation of mob fury, which can be seen here. The entire house was charred badly. And as you can see, all the things are strewn around. And even the utensils were, charred. So this was the incident, which is one of the telltale stories of what happened here in this village of Shabbirpur, which is a small village of some 4,000 people. But then the people used to live in peace for years. There's never been such a violence. But this incident, this is a black mark on this entire village.
The incidents which happened mostly related to rioting, which have been where arrests have been made and cases have already been registered. The second issue is of crime that has taken place in context of the overall situation, like being fired at from behind, especially by people who try to camouflage their face. So 3-4 such incidents have taken place, and that we are taking it slightly more seriously. The Dalit youths, they have been motivated to join in large numbers into this organization, and especially they are very active over the social media. So we are still looking for incriminating evidence against them, and if we are able to find some, then we will take strict action.
Having spent about 2 days out here, but we have concluded that by and large, there is no rift and no division among the public at large, right? There are certain antisocial elements who have, with the design, created a situation where it seemingly it appears, and of course there were some incidents that have taken place, but now things are fast returning to normality.